ways to go about the final game of the NBA season. And there's so many different ways to figure this thing out. From the Pacers' point of view, a remarkable season where they had the second most wins in the NBA since the calendar turned to 2025, and had one of the most incredible.
Hey, what's going on, brother?
Hey, how's it going, boss?
Not too much.
Beginning to end.
Keep it cool.
Yes, sir.
I hate you, man. This weather's crazy.
Yeah. You're not from here?
No, I'm from Brooklyn, New York originally.
Oh, okay. How long you been here?
About a year now.
Oh, okay. Oh, I can hear it now.
Yeah. Give me mad, you find out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you from here?
I might as well have been. I mean, I've been here for about a little over 20 years.
Okay.
I was born in California, though. I moved here when I was about 13, so been here most of all of my adult life and most of my, teenage. So.
No, I don't hate it here. I just hate the damn humidity. That's all I hate.
Oh yeah, man.
But other than that, we good.
If you got an inside job, you can make it. You know what I mean? Like,
I'm an influencer, dude. I work from home all the time.
Okay.
Yeah, or I'm in a hotel, or I'm in the overseas or something, man.
Okay. What influencer you got? TikTok or YouTube?
I do Instagram. I am a live show host too. I do a couple of sales shows and stuff where I sell stuff out.
Okay.
That's my main money, and then I do product. Well, just you're basically like making commercials, content creation.
Gotcha.
So that's what I'm doing right now. I do high end stuff, and most of it's for like the French market and European market.
Okay.
They don't have anybody that does it as well as we do, I guess.
Oh, well, they just, they always want to tap into the USA market as much as they can,
Oh, heck yeah.
So did you like grow a page to where these companies started to reach out to you after you grew your page, or?
Well, I'm starting to grow that now because in the beginning I didn't. What happened was I used to date this girl that had these badass legs, man, and I walked into a store to buy her some shoes, right?
Yeah.
They were like, God dang. I'm like, dude, respect, man. Don't make me poppy. He's like, no, I'm gay, but
Yeah.
she's got some awesome legs.
Yeah.
And they said, you have a great voice. You should be doing this stuff. You sound like a radio announcer.
Yeah,
gotcha. Because I was, doing stuff all weekend. And so they kind of hit us up, and I'm like, well, hell, shit. I started doing it, and I realized she wasn't tall enough to be a model for them.
Yeah.
Her legs weren't long enough. She's only like 5'3" or something like that. And they invited me out here. I came out here, man. I've been promoting them, Gucci, Prada, Ferragamo, you name it, ever since. And she's long gone now. She left me like 3 months ago.
Oh, wow.
So she's not part of anything no more. And here I am. Like, I went from, I don't know, making 80 grand a year.
Yeah.
As an engineer, and
yeah.
Now I'm making almost $500,000 a year.
Wow.
And she's like pissed off at me because she wants part of the pie. I'm like, well, the part you were growing didn't keep growing because you didn't grow enough.
Yeah.
I said, but what I did had nothing to do with you. I'm
yeah,
so sorry
man.
that
yeah.
you feel like you're entitled to something. But
yeah, 100%. Dang,
you'd have stayed married. You would have, not stayed married, gotten married like we planned. You'd be all right now.
Yeah,
but,
man.
You decided you want to move on, so there you go.
It's crazy because, like, I initially wanted to go to school for engineering, right? And I had got accepted into Prairie View, their engineering program, and I had to drop out because my scholarships and stuff didn't come in quick enough to cover my room. And I stayed here in Houston, so I didn't have a car. I was 17 years old, couldn't drive back and forth, so I had to drop my classes. Lo and behold, like during that time, I just started working and I had my first kid, and I never wound up going back to school.
Oh, no,
you know what I mean? And so now I'm in the process. Like I drive for Uber now, and I make about 60 to 70K a year driving for Uber, and it's okay here in Texas,
Right.
But I'm in the midst of growing a YouTube, a YouTube and a TikTok channel for my YouTube for Uber
do?
right here.
For Uber themselves?
Yeah, so
you're promoting them?
No. So I get dash cam footage, you know what I mean?
Right.
And I make Uber content, you know what I mean, how it is while driving for Uber, funny stuff, drunk riders, the dash cam.
That's gotta be hilarious.
Yeah.
About that.
Oh yeah. So I get all
it's like taxi cab.
Yes. And I get all kind of stuff, bro. I you know what I mean? In some people, you see right here, it says "Smile, you're on camera," and it got my YouTube and stuff on there. like the connection to it. So it's like, you know, and I upload and I'm in a midst. I just started doing this maybe like a month ago or maybe a month or two ago. And so like, that's the, you know, I'm trying to grow that. And
don't stop, man.
So I wanted to know, like, because I'm all about investing into myself. I want to link with you because if there's some way that I can get you to shout out my page or something like that, if you I'll do that, man. Because like,
take my phone number down.
I got you.
Turn your camera off. I don't want everybody.
No.
The fourth quarter, when they hit a dry spell, what would have happened had Halliburton been out there? And we'll discuss the Halliburton stuff later on. But the Oklahoma City Thunder deserve their flowers separate from all of that. With a head coach that they took from their G League team 2020, Mark Dagan, and building this team brick by brick, player by player, to form a championship team that came up with 68 regular season wins and 84 overall. That, in front of their home fans especially, created so much havoc and so much defensive pressure to turn it into points on the other end, and then to have one of the greatest players of this century in terms of certainly what he's been building, and certainly what he did this year in Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. And you put it all together, and that is totally grassroots, built from the ground up, as a unit, as a team, as a championship squad that got it done in the 2024-2025 season to the tune of 84 wins. Only the Jordan Bulls of the late 90s and the Golden State Warriors in their dynastic run had more wins combined on the year. And together, I mean, they had a coach of the G League team, as I mentioned, the Oklahoma City Blue, a former Holy Cross assistant as their head coach, and a unit, a team, a roster built by Sam Pressman, who came with the team from Seattle 17 years ago. And a team that once upon a time had a super team together based on who they drafted in Durant and Westbrook and Harden, and couldn't come up with a championship in the super team era. Now, taking parts that they built from Canada and the West Coast Conference in Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and Lou Dort, thanks to Canada, and the WCC Gonzagas, Chet Holmgren, and Santa Clara's Jalen Williams, and they take Alex Caruso from the Lakers/Bulls, and they take Isaiah Hartenstein from the Clippers/Knicks, and they put it all together with their drafting, and maybe, just maybe, put a final nail in the coffin of the super team era, and come up with a team, a squad, that has a breakout superstar at the top and a bunch of young stud players with a massive future in front of them. And the first parade in the nation's heartland for an NBA championship. With 84
Nation's
combined
heartland is crazy.
A championship parade in the nation's heartland.
That's crazy. It's known to be the drug hub of the United States. Bro, why is my Uber app?
Those are houses back there.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah.
For an NBA championship.
Oh, you going to this building right here?
To the right, where you see the red truck is right there?
Oh, okay, gotcha.
And their first title.
That's what I was trying to figure out.
Yeah.
Those are houses back there.
Congratulations to those fans.
Sometimes the GPS is weird.
That's what I
We're
thought.
over here.
France.
Oh, okay.
Gutted to
Yeah.
see Albert
Trust me,
absolutely gutted
I've
to
seen
see
worse.
All right, man. Have a
No
good
problem, man.
conversation.
No problem. You have a great one. Yes, sir.
The only thing I could think of with that. The Halliburton stuff. The Shining. You know, I keep mentioning The Shining every now and then. I don't know. The Scatman Crothers character, the man who could shine with Danny, sees trouble in the state of Colorado from his spot in South Florida and makes a long journey.
To the capital city.
A journey with purpose.
Long way while sitting in committee.
Finally gets inside the
Oh, I wish that I could be
Within seconds
alone. Oh, I hope and pray that I will. But today I am still just a baby.